JC here for another workshop for Vagabond Vacations. As my dad used to say, paradise doesn't exist because even there are snakes. And so it is in this beautiful paradise of Tulum. Some days are a bit cloudy, so our original location was gonna be a private cenote and jungle, but unfortunately I decided to just reschedule the location to our private villa so that if it starts raining we can just all shelter inside and even keep shooting into this beautiful villa. So the location is the same as the first workshop, but we got some new participants. So let's go meet everybody. Screw it.
Time got me at odds. I got words I can't explain it. The plain life's getting hard. Steady paying bills and got 3 jobs. I know where I am, but I just can't place it.
On my right we have Richie. He's a 13-year professional filmmaker and he's now self-proclaimed mobile filmmaker. So this is some kind of prototype. Maybe tell me something more about it.
You can record a 4:2 10-bit 4K 60p, and this beast is the next thing. I mean, this beast as well, you can record directly in a SSD. Also, the sensor is 12-bit. Come on, and also has 14 stops high dynamic range.
Sounds like an incredible beast in a very small body.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. Excited to see what's gonna come out.
And thanks for the workshop, man.
Of course.
Really cool stuff.
Glad you're here, man.
Yeah, man.
It's great.
Listen to the bone beyond belief. Broke 2 shells and I still can't sleep. Got much pride to be off my feet. Man, it feels good to give me.
As usual, I like to start with group shots because then every photographer has the opportunity to shoot all of the girls together, which is something pretty unique that usually is very difficult to organize if you're just one photographer hitting up girls on Instagram. So to gather a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 models, it's not the easiest task, I would say. So that's why we start with that. All move to the front. No motion? Yes, we're all zombies. It's kind of funny with a big group. You're always losing somebody.
Choose when you're all alone. Give my love, but I can't take all. Man, just feels cold.
Okay, hold on.
You have to leave.
No, it hasn't changed a thought, and I can't imagine how they're living. Do this for the fame. All the money ain't enough, and the things you get that always going.
Okay, with everybody, yeah? A little lifestyle shot from Matteo. I think he's gonna be happy with that one.
You can't understand what I'm going through. You can't understand what I'm going through.
We have now turned into a hair salon. Full service.
Clip my wings when my mind got trapped. Falling behind, but I can't look back. Still looking inside for the things I like.
Shots with the kayaks were amazing because it's kind of a gloomy day, a little bit overcast, and all of these kind of flat colors versus then the popping, colorful boats. This looks pretty amazing in my opinion.
And I can't imagine how they're living.
It's the ugliest camel tattoo. Like they literally up. It looks like a sheep with a leash.
Firstly, when I saw your videos and our WhatsApp chat about like how you were shooting naked girls in front of this amazing statue, like in public spot, we all photography community were like shocked, like, oh, how it's possible? It's too much, you know. But then once I saw your YouTube, you were like so nice explaining the things, like why you do it. It's kind of a game, and also girls also so nice. And I was like, maybe it's not that bad. I'm not body, it's nothing bad.
Nothing wrong, no,
yeah,
of course.
it's nice. It's just how you see it and how you show it. So
yeah.
when we saw just how would say the phone video, someone recorded you, so it was really ugly. But then when you see pictures and also when you explain the thing, it already makes sense. You know, so.
The most funny part about this was it was not my ID. The girls passed there, and the one girl just took off all her clothes, the other one. So I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna shoot. But no, in general, the thing I've noticed is that now I'm attracting models that want to go even further than me because they feel comfortable with me.
Right.
Like they know that I'm already shooting so many crazy things that they feel like, okay, now I can do the craziest thing I ever wanted to do. All about freedom.
I know the story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young.
You see? You understand what I mean now? That's an extra advantage of the Vagabond caps. They protect your brain from brain damage. Potentially. I might have brain damage now, so we'll see. We'll tune in later to see what's going on with me.
If anybody wants whiskey, I have a bunch on my hair.
Yes, please. I
Yeah?
love whiskey. Yeah. But
Fuck yeah, you wanna suck on my hair?
So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path.
Getting into the wild waters while it's kind of not the warmest day.
12 minutes.
Was a little bit of a pain in the ass, but it's always worth the shots. Very moody, autumn-colored shots. So happy I did it. We're now gonna head back to the villa because I think the girls that got wet are a little bit cold now. And the main thing for every photographer to keep in mind is keep your models comfortable if you want them to come back. So,
Why I love this, bro?
why I'm doing all of this, all these workshops, this life of photography. I think the key to happiness in life is to find something that you're passionate about in some kind of creative style. And if you find some creative outlets, you can get addicted without getting into the negativity of addictedness. For me, photography was just the perfect thing I could get addicted to. I'm passionate about, and I'm trying to spread a message that if you're passionate, really passionate about something, you can keep doing it, and after a while it's gonna pay back anyways.
Hey JC, what's the soul of your channel, all of this, what you're doing?
Focus on your passion and spread a message of respect and love. Always respect and love. Everybody needs to be happy. Never misuse people, never misuse models in my field, for example.
What could you say to the youngest people? Like they fear if it's gonna work or not, things like that.
Yeah, yeah.
What would you say?
It's a big leap, you know, to really go for just the thing you love. Like I would say, if you're not passionate about your job, just try out every possible thing until you find something that you can really enjoy, and just start doing both, you know, have some time for your work, have some time for that thing, grow that thing until you feel like this thing is ready now, and make the leap, go for that passion at some point. I know it's very difficult to just grab a camera and be like, okay, now I'm a photographer, I'm gonna be full-time just this. That's a bit difficult maybe, but keep investing time in your passion, for sure, never give up. Alright, this was a bit of a moody day, but I also like those types of shots. It's very cool to put that also in your portfolio. So everybody was quite satisfied with today. We are gonna round it off now because it's quite dark with all the clouds and stuff. We have a bunch of other workshops coming up. So that was it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out Vagabond Vacations if you want to be part of the next workshops. Epic content, huge models, so many collabs, awesome villa, the experience of your life. You're gonna grow, you're gonna go home with an entire refreshed portfolio. So make sure to check it out, stay tuned. JC out. Scoot, scoot.
what the hell are you guys doing?
I'm almost there.
Inhale, exhale.
What the hell is this?